Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a celery cleanse and I will be documenting my progress. Celery is important because it helps to reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar, improve digestion, and it also aids in losing weight, which is one of my main focus for today and in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna do celery, juicing celery, but I'm gonna do pure organic celery. That's all. And I'm gonna try for 5 days. So I'm gonna document my progress. So this is day 1 of my celery, and this is how my stomach look. Bear in mind, I've been going to the gym, so I'm not drinking pure celery. So this is day 1 of my celery juice. So this is how my stomach look, right? It's not really fat because I've been going to the gym. I've been taking care of my body. And this is me sideways. I do have a little, my stomach isn't that flat, but we're gonna do just the pure celery for 5 days, and I am gonna go to the gym 4 days. So this is me from sideways. I do have something here that I need to get rid of, and here again. I never made a piercing. It's not straight, but oh well, I still look cute. So here we go. And this is me from the back. Let's turn again. I do have something that I need to get rid of. Okay, so this is the celery here. So this is my celery. I have tried celery before, but this is not my first time trying celery. But I hate the taste. It's really awful. It's not something that I really like. You're just gonna have to get used to it. Your first try, trust me, if you're not juice like someone who eats raw vegetable, and I would recommend you trying this celery. But if you want to lose that belly fat, let's see if it works. Okay, but bear in mind, I've been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym 4 times for the week. Sorry, for the week. I've been going to the gym 4 times for the week, and this is the celery. So let's try. So let's see if I can drink this up. I think this is 8 ounces. 8 ounces of celery. So it's 8 ounces is good enough. Based off of what I read on the internet and based off of what I see other YouTubers doing. So here goes. Let's try. Oh, and they say to drink it in the early morning on an empty stomach. And then you can eat 20 minutes afterwards. So wake up in the morning, make the celery juice, and do not eat anything before you drink the celery juice. You can eat something after 20 minutes. So that works for me. Okay, so we're not finished. Let's go. We're gonna finish this today. We're gonna finish this today. Yes, we did it. So day 1 of my celery juice. So let's see you guys tomorrow, which is day 2, and I'll show you guys the progress. I'll show you guys the progress. Let me know if it really works, because I've done it before and I've seen some progress, but I wasn't going to the gym. But this time I decided to go to the gym along with doing the celery juice. So this is day 1. See you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Hi guys, so this is day 2 of my juicing. First, let me show you my day 2, how my body looks on day 2. So this so we're all finished. This is day 2. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day and God bless you. Bye bye. And also this is day 3 of my celery juicing. I'm going to start off with showing you how my overall stomach look. Let me know if you see any improvements. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to start with the side. This is how the front look. And this is my back. I've trimmed down so much on day 4. Trust me. So I'm going to show you like how it really looks now. This is me this is the front of my stomach. This is the side. Yeah, the side. And this is me in the back. So leave a comment down below if you guys see any form of improvement. Hi guys, welcome to day 5 of my celery juicing. So we're gonna start off with my overall stomach and see if it really works. And this is me. So front. Okay, so we're finally finished. So we are at day 5, guys. What I have to say about this celery juice, it helps me to reduce my belly fat. Okay, so you should give it a try. Overall, I see the improvement in my stomach. I have a flatter stomach. And bear in mind, as I said before, I have been going to the gym 4 times a week. So if you give this celery juice a try, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video.